Hello, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most popular engines ever produced by the Volkswagen Group, the 2.0 TFSI. It powers Audi, Volkswagen, Škoda and SEAT models, and it's known for combining power, efficiency, and modern engineering. Let's break down the main advantages and disadvantages of this iconic engine. Let's start with what makes this engine famous: its performance. The 2.0 TFSI uses turbocharging to deliver impressive power from a small displacement. Depending on the version, it can produce anywhere between 190 and 310 horsepower. That means instant throttle response, strong acceleration, and exciting driving dynamics. When you press the gas pedal, it responds immediately, and that's what makes TFSI engines so addictive. Another big advantage of the 2.0 TFSI engine is its fuel economy. Thanks to turbocharging and direct injection, it can achieve 6 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers, depending on driving style. However, there's a catch. This efficiency only works if you drive calmly. Push the engine hard, and that turbo boost quickly increases fuel consumption. The TFSI engine combines direct fuel injection with turbocharging, allowing better combustion and higher torque output. This means the engine feels smooth, responsive, and refined at almost any speed. However, the more advanced the technology, the more maintenance and precision it requires. Now let's talk about the downsides. Early generations of the 2.0 TFSI engine, like the EA888 Gen 1 and Gen 2, were known for oil consumption issues. These engines could burn more oil than expected, especially as they age. Another common problem is carbon buildup on the intake valves, since direct injection doesn't clean them with fuel. Over time, this buildup can reduce performance and efficiency. The turbo system is both a blessing and a curse. It gives the 2.0 TFSI its signature punch, but if driven hard without proper cooling or oil care, the turbo's lifespan can shorten. Also, this engine needs high-quality oil and fuel to perform reliably. Neglecting this can lead to expensive repairs, and nobody wants that. So let's sum it up. The 2.0 TFSI engine is a brilliant blend of power, efficiency, and technology. When properly maintained with regular oil changes and good fuel, it can deliver years of reliable performance and driving pleasure. But if ignored, it can become quite costly to repair.
Strong and responsive performance, good fuel efficiency, advanced turbo and injection technology, oil consumption issues in older models, carbon buildup on valves, costly maintenance if neglected. Closing line. So, the 2.0 TFSI, a dream for speed lovers, but not a fan of lazy maintenance. Would you choose this engine for your next car? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.